YouTube and all my babies. It's your girl Rich Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell your mama and them, because we literally over here. Without further ado, y'all, we got us a package. We just got a package. What it is. What's up? What's up? In the club. Y'all, before we get started, y'all know I like Hello Kitty. Why is y'all playing with me? My nails is Hello Kitty and Karomi. So y'all, I seen this and I was like, I had to get it because like I liked Hello Kitty when I was like younger in high school, but like now that I'm like grown, the addiction or the obsession has become a little more like when I see Hello Kitty stuff and I'm like, okay, I want that. But anyway, y'all, I seen this, had to get it. And let's get into it. Y'all, it's a Hello Kitty phone. It's a flip phone. And you probably like, girl. Literally. Y'all. So let me check it because some people, okay, my screen didn't come cracked because some people's box came cracked and all this and whatsoever. Y'all, when you turn it on, it got Hello Kitty. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. This is so cute. And messaging, multimedia settings, tools, file manager, phone book. And I think they were saying like you can play music on here, but and you can take photos. It's a camera right here. Now the quality of the camera, it's definitely giving low budget pixels, but come on now. Y'all know back in the day when everybody had flip daddies. Come on. So it came in two colors. It came in, oh, and it lights up. It came in this color, and it came in like a pinkish purple color. But I didn't want that. I just wanted the original. I just wanted the original color Hello Kitty, and as you can see, like it's small, but it's so cute. So yeah, you get those two colors, and in the inside, oops, and you, I think you can put a SIM card in here, and you can put two SIM cards in here and a memory card. It comes with a charger, and it comes with what is they call these lanyards that you can wear around your neck, and also it comes with headphones and a manual. So yes, I'm loving that. So loving that. So yeah, y'all, I just wanted to do an unboxing of this. I'm obsessed. Very much so. And y'all, this is the Hello Kitty phone. And I want to say this one was free shipping and handling. It was $28 and it took a little bit under a month, but it was worth the wait because it came in good condition. My screen's not cracked. Yeah, functional, and I just think it's so cute. So yeah, y'all, hope y'all enjoy this little unboxing. Y'all probably like, oh my goodness, like you don't even need that. And actually I'm going to try, because I already got my phone, like my main phone. Let me not say it like that, because then I just like, I have I have my phone that I use. So it's like, this is my phone, y'all. So this compared to this is like, come on now. My phone is as big or bigger. No, my phone is bigger than the box that it came in. So I'm thinking about maybe, because I don't know how many, I don't know if it's 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G. It's probably like 2G. But I'm going to see what phone company I can get with and probably just get like just the most simplest plan that has like text and talk, because internet on there probably gonna be slow as ever. But just to have and be using like flip daddy, click, I'm done talking to you. So I'm gonna see like who I can get with that has like a little cheap little phone deal and actually see if it worked. People said it worked, but if not, I just wanted to have it for like a novelty type of, collector's item because I thought that was so cute. And I just thought it was so me. So, yeah, y'all, I just wanted to do this unboxing. I was so excited to do the unboxing of this Hello Kitty phone. And I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.